I hate waiting on editors. Now this is amazing. I've been using Bots now for a number of years, and their amendments and changes have driven me up the wall, to be quite frank. With Image Assist, I can have an image back in a matter of seconds. It will virtually stage, it will do Day-to-Dusk, it basically does what I tell it to do. So we can do Day-to-Dusk, virtual staging, even AI characters. It takes a minute to do this. Okay, so we're going to pick it up, drag it and drop it like this. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to declutter this one. So we're going to press declutter. Then we're going to scroll down again. We can basically give it some information if we want anything special done. Remove all furniture and items. We're going to click that one. Go down here and confirm I have permission from the original photographer. And then we're going to go enhance image. And bingo bango, it should be ready in seconds. If you're a real estate agent, this tool is simply the bee's knees. I have saved hundreds of dollars by using Image Assist over the last couple of months. Do yourself a favour and hook into Image Assist.